What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the Credit Spot, where we give you all the tools you need as you start off on your financial journey to financial freedom. In my last video, I told you guys when I came back, I was going to be bringing you guys only two credit builder apps that's guaranteed to raise your credit. Guaranteed, folks. And if you missed my last video, I have a surprise for at the end of this video for you. If you missed my last video, I'm going to bring it to you again at the end of this video. I'm going to tell you guys how you can open an online business right now, free, with no money. So you're going to want to stick around to the end of the video. But without further ado, we're going to jump straight into it. Okay? First app I'm going to be bringing you today is the Self Credit Builder app, guys. The Self Credit Builder app. Now, let me explain to you what Self is. Self is a lender. Self is a lender out of Austin, Texas, guys. Self offers you a secured loan. Let me tell you how this secured loan works. Basically, you go over to your Play Store, you download the Self app, you apply for Self. It's your basic information, phone number, name, address, uh, social security number. How Self works is they have four different packages. You can either pay $25 a month, $35 a month, $48 a month, or $150 a month. Now, how this works is like this. I'm going to basically tell you, let's say you choose the smallest one, the $25 a month. How basically this works is you apply for Self and you'll pay Self $25 a month. So every month when you pay Self $25, Self will actually report those payments to all three credit bureaus. This is how it works. When you make the payment to Self reports to all three credit bureaus that you made a payment, and this is how your actual FICO score increases. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit more. Let's say you pick the $25 one. Self has 24 or 12-month term, so you can choose a 12-month or you can use a 24-month term. Let's say you choose the lowest payment, $25 for 24 months. That means within 2 months you will have paid Self $600. By the end of the term, you will have been unpaid Self $600. The good thing about Self, folks, is at the end of your term, you actually get the money that you've been paying back the whole time. You get the money back. That's the good thing. So Self is not only raising your credit score, it's also forcing you to save money. So at the end of your term, let's say you pick $25 for a 24-month term. That means you have paid out $600. Okay, at the end of your term, you will actually receive 520 of that 520 of those dollars back. The actual 80 the other $80 will actually go to taxes and fees for Self, but you will receive all of the money that you put in to Self back at the end of your term. So that's the good thing. So it's like you're paying yourself to raise your credit score and you get your money back at the end of the term. So like I said, folks, Self is like one of the best, if not one of the best, if not the best credit builder app out there. Is definitely in the top two. I personally use self guarantees to raise your credit score. And like I said, before I go on, I want to tell you guys about the different types of credit lines. You have two different types of credit lines, folks. You have revolving credit lines. Revolving credit lines use the store cards, like if you got a Walmart card, a Sam's Club card, a Home Depot card, or just any other regular credit card. So that's what revolving credit lines are. They're like credit cards, store cards, things of that nature. The other type of credit line is installment lines of credit, which is fixed payments that you pay every month. Fixed payments that you pay every month, such as a mortgage, a car loan, student loans, and Self itself actually falls under installment loans. Self will actually fall under a installment loan because it's something that you pay a fixed payment amount every month. So before I move on, so I want to make sure that you went over that. Like I said, folks, Self, basically you just join Self, you apply, go on, you download the app, you join Self, and you choose out of the four, the 24, 35, the 48, or the $150, which plan that you want, and you basically pay that month to month, and that raises your credit score. And at the end of the term, whatever term you choose, the 12-month or the 24 months, at the end of the term, you'll actually receive the money back. Like I said, folks, this is a win-win situation all the way around the board, and it's guaranteed, folks. Like I'm telling you, guaranteed 100% to raise your credit score. I personally have used Self. I can tell you that it works. Okay, we're going to go into the next credit builder app that I'm going to bring you today. The next credit builder app that I'm bringing you today is the Kickoff app. This is the Kickoff credit builder app. This app works a little bit different than Self. Okay, and if you don't have 25 or 35 or 48 or $150 to deal with Self, the lowest payment at Self was 25. If you don't have $25 a month to kick out to raise your credit dealing with Self, then the Kickoff app is probably where you want to be. Kickoff app actually takes payments as low as $2 to $5 a month, guys, and they actually report that to the credit bureaus. You will not believe, guys. They actually report that to the credit bureaus, and that actually 100% guaranteed helps your credit score, and it will build your credit score. So how Kickoff works is basically Kickoff. You apply for Kickoff. You can go to over to the app store, download the Kickoff app. Kickoff will give you a line of credit. Okay, you'll buy something from the actual Kickoff store. It's a little different than Self. They'll give you Kickoff will give you a line of credit that you can use at the Kickoff store. So they'll give you a line of credit. You'll use Pace, buy something from the store, a book or whatever. That's what I personally bought. I bought a book for $24. They gave me a line of credit. I bought a $24 book, and I paid and I paid Kickoff back $2 a month. My payment for the $24 book was $2 a month, and they report that $2 payment to the credit bureaus. Now, what you got to remember, folks, it doesn't matter if you're making a dollar payment or $100 payment. It's all about a payment history. Because me personally, when I was using the Kickoff app, like I said, it takes payments as low as $2 to $5, but it actually raised my credit score 58 points. My credit score actually went up 58 points from dealing with the Kickoff, and I was paying them $2 a month. So if you don't have enough funds, or you don't have the funds to deal with Self, like I said, Self, the lowest payment you can make is $25. You don't have $25 a month, and you're still looking for a way to raise your credit limit, then you want to go to the Kickoff. The Kickoff app is for you. The Kickoff app, you can pay as low as $2 to $5 a month, and they actually report these payments to the credit bureau, guys. And these payments actually raise your credit score. So you don't want to miss out. Remember, these credits actually raise your credit score. So if you're looking for little ways to raise your credit score, I just gave you two guaranteed credit builder apps that's guaranteed, folks, guaranteed to raise your credit score. Like I said, the first one is the Self Credit Builder app. The second one is the Kickoff Credit Builder app. And like I always tell you, folks, before you jump into anything, credit cards, loans, credit builder apps, whatever it is, you always yourself, even though I'm telling you, you always yourself read over the terms and agreements. Always. Okay. Like I said, now if you missed my last video, I gave you guys an online business that you could open right now free with no money. So if you missed the last video, I'm going to give it to you again here right now, here today, guys. So you want to tune in, listen, take out your pen and paper, jot it down if you need to, because I'm ready to give you the info. Okay, so here we go. How this works is you want to download the AliExpress app. You want to go to your Play Store. You want to download the AliExpress app. After you download the AliExpress app, you want to go over to eBay. You want to start an eBay sellers account. You want to start an eBay sellers account. After you open the eBay sellers account, you want to connect your bank card or the method you choose to be paid, whatever card you want to link to your eBay account so you can be paid. Okay, after you link your card, you set up your account, you link your card, you want to go back over to the AliExpress app, and you want AliExpress, guys, is a wholesale app. So you want to go back over to the AliExpress app. You want to copy and paste the items that you want to sell. All the items on AliExpress that you see that you want to sell, you want to copy and paste them over to your eBay account. Like I said, these products over on AliExpress is $2.99, $2, $1, $3, $5, but they're being sold on eBay for $40, $50, $60, $70, $80. So how this works, you go over to AliExpress, you copy and paste the items, the products that you want to sell onto your eBay account, and then when somebody actually purchases one of the items, the money will go directly to the card that you have linked to your eBay account. Once the money actually hits your card, folks, once you receive the money for the product, you then take the money and you order whatever the product is from AliExpress, and you get it shipped directly to the customer. So let's say if the product was $5 on AliExpress, You sold it for $40 on eBay. Okay, that means $40 will come to your account on eBay. All you do is take the portion, the $5 or $7 or $8 along with shipping and handling, and you get that product. You order the product from AliExpress and you get it shipped directly to the customer. So let's say if all of that costed, that's $8 tops, or you from out the 40. That means that was a $32 profit on for you. That means all that and you made a $32 profit. And all of this don't cost you nothing, folks. Like I said, if you missed it, basically all you do, I'm gonna go over it one more time, is go over to our AliExpress app and copy and paste the things on AliExpress that you want to do over to your eBay account. And when someone purchases them, the money will hit your card over at eBay. Then you will take the money, you will order the product from AliExpress and get it shipped directly to the customer, and you will keep the remaining funds. Basically, simple, cost you nothing. So if you missed it, anything you need to know, like I said, I always leave a little fruit notes in the description. If you need to contact me personally, I have an email down in the description. You can contact me personally if you have any questions about anything I said. And like I always tell you guys, before you start your journey anyway, you want to start it up here in your mind. You want to have it all planned out in your mind, because remember, a person without a plan is just a person that's planning to fail. So you want to keep that in mind. If you don't have a plan, you're just planning to fail. Don't wing it. Don't wing it, guys. Sit down, put step by step, and then execute your plan. Write it down step by step, the things that you need to do, and then begin executing. Simple. Okay. In my next video, guys, I got a surprise for you. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I promise you, you're not going to want to miss it. So if you don't forget, like, subscribe, comment. That means don't miss anything you need. You can contact me. Anything you missed in the video, just watch it again, even though I put things in the description. There's an email in there if you need to ask some questions personally. Whatever you need, all of the things, the tools that you need to get on your financial journey, the financial freedom, I'm going to bring. All you got to do is tune in. All you got to do is be here. I'm going to give you the information. All you got to do is take it, utilize it, put it to work, and make it happen. Like I always say, I'm a regular guy. I'm no different than you. If it worked for me, I know it'll work for you. So until next time, like I always say, folks, you know what it is. Let's get it.